First, we're going to cream together 2 sticks of butter that I let soften at room temperature. Now we're going to add 3/4 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup brown sugar. See how I packed that brown sugar in? I'm going to stir that really, really well. Sometimes you need a spatula to take off the excess off your spoon and then start again. Now we're going to add 1 egg at a time. Add your egg and stir. Add your second egg. And stir again. Now add your 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now we're going to add our flour, but we're not going to stir yet. We're going to add our 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Go ahead and sprinkle that so it distributes well. And then with another spoon, go ahead and mix that. And this allows you to have a 1 bowl method instead of 2 bowls. And now you can stir again. I'm going to fold it so I don't have flour falling out of my bowl. Now you can use a mixer for this, but it's always fun to stir. Keep stirring until you get a nice soft dough. Chips. You can also use milk chocolate, you can use peanut butter chips. It's up to you. And you're just going to easily stir that till it's all mixed together. Then we're going to put this into a 13x9 pan and pop it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees and bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes till you start to see it golden brown at the top.